you know what they done, you know, the man, you know, the one, you know. Right now, me have
Chaddy TV.
Chaddy TV, and we say check him out for all your news, your views, your reviews, and everything you need to know, you see me?
On YouTube, you know, come in say YouTube, that show, and such show, yo.
Yeah, Chaddy, I'm your biggest fan.
Ricky Chopper said that.
It's exploded right now.
You know it's a boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. And right now I'm forward to talk about a big problem we are going in Jamaica. And it's injustice. People, I want to watch this video. So that took place from 2016, you see me? And the police, them did track down the accused men them, cause me have to say accused, you see me? Then they find them and lock them up and put them before the judge, put them before the jury and everything. And guess what? Them found not guilty. Yes, you hear correctly. Them found not guilty. And we have every evidence. Them have eyewitness. Them have video camera evidence. Them have every single evidence. But what? Them still found not guilty. So I want to tell me this now. Where is the justice for poor people? Where is the justice for Jamaican people? Yeah, tell me say no, in a case like this, them find a video evidence. See? Clear, you can see a who are the killer. You can see a who are the shooter. You see me? But yet since them found not guilty. So me want to know how them man are found not guilty. Zane, a war going in a Jamaica. War going in a Jamaica. A money around Jamaica, money alone have to use and run Jamaica. So yeah, tell me say yo, me can do any amount of shooting or put anybody underground or whatever the case may be. And true, me have my dirty money, me just walk away scotch free. Wanna remember the X5 case? Or a X6, I don't even remember you know. But that big businessman there, where him they do some shooting and him get off scotch free. You see me? With him license firearm, him they shoot a little KC youth. And me can go on and on and on. Remember say you know, the same little youth where forward in a shutter as Biggs. No, not Biggs in name. What the next one name? Jano. Spragga Benz when him did the younger version of Spragga Benz were in a shatter. Member say a Spragga Benz son that in a real life Carlton. And I see him so police did shoot him down in about 2008 somewhere there, correct me if I'm wrong, in the comment section. And nothing no forward out of it. Right now to how Mr. Jamaica run is just a selected people them target. You see me? It's just a selected people them put a jail. Like who they want put a jail, then just put a jail. So for instance, you do a crime and you have your good links or you have your dirty money or whatever the case may be, them say alright, let you through. You can't go do crime again, man. Go do any amount of crime you want. We have your back. Yeah, alright. But then you have a next side of people where anyhow them all park somewhere where them not fit park. Them get locked up and go jail. Remember the youth in a Mobi again, you know, where them lock up and beat the youth. Well, I know we don't know what one, but the people them in the cell must in the police station must hear the youth did a ball. Yeah, and that a Mario Dean. Them just lock him up for one spliff. And him really, up to now, more than say really make ganja decriminalized. Because after film death, them say, yo, no more smart enough to get locked up for ganja. But yeah, them lock up the youth for one spliff. And then some beating go on in a cell. And I feel like say them must hear. But what? The youth still dead. And all know nothing forward out of it. And you have them killer ya, stone cold killer. You can see say the man them a shooter, base pan way, yeah see pan the video. You see me cause the man them just walk up. You know like walk up and just pop and start do them thing. I tell me say the man them walk scotch free. But people, if I them you know, because if I never them for true, why more the one them lock up no innocent person in a jail. You see me? But right now you have a video evidence and you can't do nothing. John Star. And me I go try the card. Look at VYBZ KARTEL. Right now they don't have no me can say them not have no credible evidence for VYBZ KARTEL. But yet still VYBZ KARTEL just still they are jail from 2011. Oh that. Them now no video evidence. All of them have. Yo, right now, me can't say them never have nothing because all of them claims the evidence there should have go in a bin. All of them claims the evidence there and not really evidence. Because one at a time me all hear people are talk about say yo phone a call itself and all them rubbishness there. Phone a dial off itself. John Star. But people, make me know what you think. Comment in the comment section. It's your boy DJ Chaddy. And if you want to follow me, you can follow me on IG at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's IAMDJCHADDY. Don't forget to like this video if you like this video. And comment now, let me know what you think. And if it's the first time watching, thanks for watching. And click the subscribe button. Turn on post notification as well. So anytime I upload videos like these, you're going to be the first to know. I'm out.
Babylon say jail for me, beg the judge say bail for me.